All right. In today's video, I will walk you through how to turn off your camera on Zoom. If you need to turn off your camera during a Zoom meeting, the process is quick and only takes a moment. I'll show you exactly where to find the control and how to confirm that your camera has been turned off. Okay, start by making sure you're inside a Zoom meeting. The camera controls are only available while you're in a meeting window. If you don't see the meeting toolbar right away, simply move your mouse or tap your screen. The toolbar will appear so you can access the meeting controls. Okay, once the toolbar is visible, look toward the bottom left corner of the meeting window. You'll see the video button, which is represented by a small camera icon. This is the control you'll use to manage your camera during the meeting. Click the video button at the bottom left. As soon as you click it, your camera will be turned off. Okay, to confirm that your camera is no longer on, look at the same camera icon again. After your camera's been turned off, the icon will display a red diagonal line across it. This is the visual confirmation that your video has been disabled. When you see that red line across the camera icon, it means your video is no longer being shared with the meeting. Instead of your live camera feed, participants will typically see your profile picture or your name, depending on your Zoom settings. Okay, if the meeting toolbar disappears while you're checking the camera icon, that's completely normal. Zoom automatically hides the controls when they aren't being used. To bring them back, just move your mouse or tap your screen again, and the toolbar will reappear. Okay, so if you're using Zoom on a smaller screen, the meeting controls may appear more compact, but you'll still find the camera icon in the lower left area of the meeting controls. Once the toolbar is visible, simply locate that camera icon and click it to turn your video off. Turning off your camera only affects your video. It does not change your microphone and it does not disconnect you from the meeting. You'll still be able to hear everyone else, continue following the meeting, present if needed, or use the chat while your camera remains off. Whenever you want to check whether your camera is disabled, just look at the camera icon in the bottom left corner. If there's a red diagonal line across the icon, your camera's off. If the toolbar isn't visible, move your mouse or tap the screen to display it again and check the icon. And that's all there is to it. Once you've clicked the video button and confirmed that the camera icon shows a red diagonal line, you've successfully turned off your camera on Zoom. It's a simple process that only takes a second whenever you need to pause your video during a meeting. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you confidently turn off your camera on Zoom.